Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to access Claude through Amazon Bedrock or Google Cloud using the setup steps. This is the easiest way to connect this helper tool directly to your existing cloud business accounts, so you can run your tasks safely without building separate profiles or mixed payment bills. Step 1. Log into your chosen cloud platform console. The very first action is to log into the main control center of whichever cloud company your business already uses for its daily network storage. Open your regular internet browser program and navigate either to the Amazon Web Services main panel or the Google Cloud dashboard. Use your company's master username and security password to open the main screen view. Look at the top navigation bar, click on the search box, and type in either Bedrock for the Amazon route or Vertex AI if you are walking down the Google Cloud side. Click on the main service item that drops down. You must start here because these cloud companies act as massive locked rooms holding different digital utilities. By logging into your main console first, you prove to the system that you own the billing account and have the right authorization badges to add new tools to your workspace. Step 2. Locate the Model Garden catalog. Once you are inside the specific AI section of your cloud dashboard, you need to find the master shelf where all the different digital brains are kept. Look at the left side menu row on your screen canvas. For Amazon, click on the section labeled Model Access. For Google Cloud, look for the choice labeled Model Garden and click it with your mouse pointer. Type the name Claude into the small inner search filter line to hide all the other unrelated brand choices. This will display a row of clean cards showing the latest versions of the chat tool. If Claude does not appear in your list, you may have to activate the plan, fill up your billing address, so you will be granted over 200 AI models. This part is necessary because the cloud platforms do not turn on every single available tool automatically. Entering this catalog area allows you to browse the specific sizes and speeds of the chat helper so you can pick the exact one that matches your workload needs. Step 3. Test your new connection in the playground. The final step is to make sure the connection bridge is open and working correctly before you start using it for big business tasks. The action: stay inside your cloud dashboard and click the menu button named Studio or Vertex AI Studio. This opens a simple, clean text window right on your display screen. Select your newly unlocked model from the drop-down box. Click inside the empty message box, type a quick test greeting like hello, and press the send icon. Watching the text answer stream back instantly onto your screen canvas proves that your master account billing, safety permissions, and data connections are completely linked, so now you can safely use the tool inside your regular cloud workspace rows, knowing that everything is fully tracked and protected. And that's it. To access Claude through Amazon Bedrock or Google Cloud, you simply log into your main cloud console window. Next, you navigate to the specific AI model catalog area to locate the chat tool on the digital shelf. Then you click the request buttons and accept the partner terms to unlock the permissions badge. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.